Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a business card using Publisher. You can have an option for more template, but this one let's create from blank. We get to page design, then we choose size, then page setup. Here we'll be able to choose our dimensions. Just go to custom, then choose the dimension which is 3.5. That will be in inches and 2. 3 by 5, 3.5 by 2. Click OK. Now we have that one. So for the most part about design, we need to have a background. And this background we include in shapes. Let's see in the next one. So go to insert quickly. You can choose a background there. So once you've created a background, you can go to shapes, insert shapes. Just draw shapes. You can have varieties of shapes, rectangle, square. Then go to shape fill, choose a color. Go to shape outline, remove no outline, so it removes that black thing over there. So here we insert our text. You can have a text box, you just draw it. Then write your details. So basically about design is just shapes, text, colors and blending in. So you need to have colors which actually go well with that design. You need to have a good design, something that is appealing to the eye. The end goal of a design is to have something which makes another person actually feels like this one is actually the greatest thing they can ever see. So that's what you want to make them feel. So most part about design, you find it's evoking emotions. What does this design say about me? Or what do you want the message for this design? That one is more of graphic design. So in just adding text, you include adding text box, you draw a text box, you add information, you change the color, include shapes, and you'll realize at the end of this video, you'll realize just a simple thing just can be formulated through shapes, colors, fonts, arrangement. Then when it comes to arrangement, that is a good thing. You need to understand that when it comes to arrangement, is more of typography. How do you arrange your words, your text? So in designing, you need to understand something known as principles and elements. Elements, these are the things which design needs, like shapes, text, colors. Those are elements. Principles, when you talk about graphic design principles, these are set of guidelines. You see, when you talk about principles, these are rules, set of guidelines that make a design good. In our case, we have a design. What color will we use? Which text? How's the arrangement? How's the layout? How are we using the white space? These are negative spaces you find in designs. So in design, you just need to take on elements and principles. Then you get on that one, that one will show you how to arrange your designs very well. And when you do that, you actually become so unstoppable. So we keep on proceeding. You have added a text, you've added a phone number, because a business card, of course, you'll have a text, a phone number, maybe an address, your tagline, what makes you stand out. And in our case, of course, it's quality of everything. Then I have my email address as shelomibethlehem@gmail.com. I just toggle with the reduction of font size. I double click on it, I select, then I highlight. I pick a white color to make at least the text being in contrast to the background. That is what you also want your design to be. You don't want a design which someone struggles to really look at. What is this design actually says? People don't have time for that. You need just, when someone sees that design, they feel so great, they love it, and then they're able to see the message inside it. So here I've added a shape. I've picked on color fill. I've also picked on outline to match with the box on our right side. That's more of it. Then I add another text box. At least I'm just making a logo from scratch, like whatever variations you'll have. But in other cases, you'll find that you've created that logo somewhere, you'll just be inserting it as an image. As much as publisher is there, it's an underrated thing, but if you've mastered it very well, just become the greatest. It does variety of lots of things. Yeah, then I keep on. Yeah. You can select and just move it, click on it and move. Yeah, so basically, as you can see, even the outline of this circle logo, it has the orange color because it is matching with the other one here. Because you want to make something familiarity also. Familiarity in design is a good thing. And then you find something known as repetition. Repetition, that one is in principles. So whatever I've said, everything, just check on elements, just check on principle. Then let your creativity be in work. Your quality of everything. The tagline I stand for. Find your tagline, you have that one. Just keep on modifying. Yeah? This one I'm creating a rectangular. A long rectangle, I want it to be like a line. Then I reduce the size. We get to fill. Fill is the filling the image or the shape with color. I've made the color to be orange. I think this is the theme for this one. Though it is made in a quick succession, but if you've actually focused on it very well, you can just create the front side and the back side. Then you have them printed in bunch. And a good design nowadays, we have the QR codes. I think we should just do more of this. Should have a QR code at the back of it. So maybe in future I'll create a more tutorial on this one. Then we save our work. Let's go to save. You save it first. You need to save it maybe as a publisher files because sometimes you'll need to make modification. The reason you do that is because you don't want to keep on coming back. Like I need to design again from scratch. No, you just make publisher file. So you'll just be editing and modifying. Then you can save it as PDF. PDF option is found there below. Save it as PDF. Just click OK. Then your work is done. So of course, thank you for watching. And of course, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with friends. Do whatever with this one here. So thank you. This has been the end of our segment. This is Shelomi Bethlehem.